Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Everything Tabby. If you're new here, you're highly welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for always watching my videos. So today's video, I'll be showing you how to make Greek yogurt, and this is all we've been needing for this recipe. So I'm going to be using this bowl, this whisk, measuring cups, vanilla flavor, powdered milk, and unsweetened Greek yogurt as my starter. So that is all we'll be needing for this recipe. So let's get started. So I'll go ahead to measure 2 cups of powdered milk into this bowl, and also I'm adding 2 cups of hot water to this bowl, and then give it a good mix. So after adding the 2 cups of hot water, I'm going to stir this milk in the water thoroughly to make sure I get rid of any lumps or any milk. So I'll keep stirring and stirring while it is very hot. I'm going to do it fast so it doesn't get cold. So I'll keep stirring until the milk is no longer sticking to the whisk. So after mixing, I'll leave it to cool a bit for a while. So when you want to check the temperature, you are going to dip your finger into the mixture for 5 to 8 seconds. If you can hold the heat, then you can add your starter or your Greek yogurt that has culture in it. So just to get rid of any lumps, I'm just pouring the milk into a sieve to sieve it. So once I've gotten the desired temperature, I'll just pour in my Greek yogurt with live culture into the mixture. So this is half cup of Greek yogurt, and I'm going to pour it into the mixture and stir it thoroughly so it will combine very well. And then I'll store it in a very warm place. So as you can see, I put the yogurt in an airtight container, and I'm wrapping it with nylon, and I'm also going to wrap it with 2 thick cloths. So you just want to maintain the temperature at which you put in your Greek yogurt or your culture or your starter. So you want to maintain the temperature. That's why you are wrapping it, and you are going to store it in a very warm place. So I wrapped it up and I put it in my microwave, and I let it sit for 10 hours before I opened it up back. So this is 10 hours later, and I brought out the Greek yogurt and I unraveled it, and this is what we have. So guys, something actually went wrong in this recipe because I did not get Greek yogurt directly. I was still having whey and some milk underneath. So you can see. So once I noticed this, I just mixed it back together. I was having Greek yogurt separate, I was having liquid separate. So I just mixed it back together, and I was trying to salvage it, and then I put it back in for another 6 hours, and I brought it out back. So this is it after another 6 hours. It got a little bit better, but I still have whey in it. So I thought about it, and then the issue came from the starter or the live culture Greek yogurt I used. The consistency was just like this, so there's no way it's going to be better than this. So hence I stopped here and I stored it in the fridge. So I got that issue from freezing my Greek yogurt. So you're not supposed to freeze your Greek yogurt, just put it in the fridge, not the freezer. So that's why the consistency got lighter, and when I used it to make my own Greek yogurt, this is what came out. So do not freeze your Greek yogurt at all. If you want the consistency to be very thick, do not freeze your Greek yogurt. So this is the end of this video. I hope you learned something. Please like this video, leave a comment, let me know how your own Greek yogurt turned out, or how the one you did before has turned out. And you can also leave me suggestions on how to make this Greek yogurt better, just in case it wasn't entirely the Greek yogurt starter. So I'll be waiting for your comments down below. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.